We were so sleepy when we took this flight. Biglaan, walang tulog, but we knew we needed this. Thanks to Tripify, everything was smooth. May susundo, may itinerary, may rest. Minsan okay lang gumastos ng konti eh. Basta hindi kayo mag-aaway sa gitna ng trip dahil walang plano. Before we were mom and dad, we were us. And if marriage weakens, the whole house feels it. Parenting is so beautiful, but also exhausting. This isn't escaping the child, but it's recharging so we could return better. Because real talk, your child learns what love looks like by watching yours. And the best part, after all the rest, you come home ready, and someone small runs into your arms. Heaven.